Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy crypto on crypto.com with a debit card. First, you'll need to download the crypto.com app and create an account. Next, complete the identity verification process, often called KYC, to unlock all features and higher transaction limits. Finally, before adding your card, confirm with your bank that it's enabled for international online purchases to avoid any issues. Once your account is set up, open the crypto.com app. Tap Buy on the home screen, then select Add Payment Method under the Cash option. Carefully enter your debit card information, including the card number, your name, the expiry date, and the CVV code. A small amount, typically around 10 cents, will be temporarily held to verify your card, but it won't be charged. With your debit card successfully linked, you're ready to buy. Go back to the Buy screen and select the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount you wish to spend in your local currency. The app will show the equivalent crypto amount. Review all the transaction details, including any fees, then confirm your purchase using your passcode or biometric verification. Be aware that debit card top-up fees can apply, sometimes up to 1% depending on your region. Also, daily debit card top-up limits vary. For instance, it's often $1,000 in the United States. Always check the latest fee schedule and limits within the app. For an effortless home clean, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals. Your purchased crypto will appear in your wallet, ready for trading or holding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.